Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to another video. And if you have been wanting to make your home coffee taste like something, then this is the way to go. I'm going to show you today how to make homemade vanilla bean coffee syrup. And if you stay into the end, I will show you how you can get this plus a few other of my recipes for free in my new ebook. So let's make it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put our 1 cup water. And today I'm using 3/4 cup brown sugar. You can use white sugar and you can use your sugar alternative. It's up to you, but today I'm using brown sugar. We're going to start. Turn our stove on. And then I'm going to put 2 vanilla bean split. Okay, so we're going to turn the heat off and let this steep for about 10 more minutes, and we'll be back to bottle up our syrup. Okay, so now we're going to remove the 2 split vanilla beans. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. So you can either use vanilla extract, or I'm going to use the bourbon vanilla bean paste from Trader Joe's. A teaspoon of that, just to enhance the vanilla flavor. Give it a stir. All right, and let's bottle our vanilla bean syrup. And look at that. Coffee syrup done in just minutes. All done. And look at that. Delicious homemade coffee syrup made in just a few minutes. But wait, make sure you come back, because in my next video, I'm going to show you how to turn this into homemade coffee creamer that might actually ruin store-bought for you. See you in the next video. Hey guys, you can now download my free ebook, Sweet Sips at Home, that contains 5 beginner-friendly coffee syrup recipes. It is now live on my Patreon, and I will leave the link down below so that you can go and download that right now. So go right now.